How to make Instagram highlight covers. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video on create, login and delete. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create your own Instagram highlight covers. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. Well, the very first step is you need to download one application called Canva. You can easily get this application from your Play Store or an App Store. Once the application is installed, click on Open. You will be landing on this page. Now in the search bar, you need to search for Instagram story highlight covers. Here it will show you different kinds of templates that you can use it for your Instagram highlight covers. As we're looking on to creating our own highlight covers, you need to click on create blank. Now click on this plus icon. It will show you some option and the feature that will help you to create your own highlight covers. You can see different options here to edit your highlight covers. So let me just click on elements. Here in the search elements, you can search for any images or the icon that you prefer for your highlight covers. So let me just search for a random image, camera. Now select the image or the icon that you prefer for your highlight covers. So let me just choose for this graphic design. You can adjust this image anywhere on the screen. After you are done, click on color in order to change the color of the background. Select the color that you prefer for the background. Now once you are done creating your Instagram highlight covers, you need to save this image. So let's click on this icon at the top right corner. Click on download. Now again click on download. Head over to PNG. Now once again click on download. Well, your highlight cover has been saved into your gallery. Now go back and open your application Instagram. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. You can see one of my highlights that I have already created. Long press this highlight and then click on edit highlight. Here you can see the option of edit cover. Click on it. Now slide to the left and you need to click on this icon. Now select the highlight cover that you have just created before. You can adjust this cover as you want. And then click on this arrow at the top right corner. Click on done. Once again click on done. So there you go, your highlight cover has been changed successfully. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to make Instagram highlight covers. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.